Level up your video game and secure your creations with a professional watermark, all within Capcut. First, open the Capcut app on your mobile device if you don't have it yet. You can download it for free from your app store. Tap on New Project and select the video you want to add a watermark to once your video is loaded into the editing timeline. We're ready to start branding. Now, look for the Overlay option at the bottom of the screen. This is where we'll add our watermark as a separate layer. Tap on Add Overlay here. You have two main options for creating your watermark. You can use an image you've already designed, or you can create text directly in Capcut. For an image watermark, like a logo, tap Photos and select your predesigned logo from your gallery. If you prefer text, tap Text and type out your brand name or initials. Once your overlay is added, you'll see it as a new track on your timeline now. We need to resize and position it. Pinch and drag the overlay layer directly on your video preview to adjust its size. Use your finger to drag it to your desired position, typically a corner to keep it subtle yet visible. We want it to be a visual identifier, not a distraction. To fine-tune the watermark's appearance, tap Adjust. Beneath the overlay editing tools here, you can control the watermark's opacity. Slide the opacity down to make your watermark semi-transparent, ensuring it doesn't overpower your video content, but still clearly signifies ownership. Finally, ensure your watermark lasts for the entire duration of your video. You can do this by dragging the ends of the overlay track on the timeline to match your main video clip's length. And there you have it, a professionally branded video, all made easy with Capcut. Start protecting your content and promoting your brand today.